Have you ever thought what if you could invest only in the leaders of every major sector in India? Not small players, not the emerging ones, but the companies that already dominate their space. That's exactly what the HDFC BSE India Sector Leaders Index Fund is designed to do. But how does it work? What are its pros and cons, and who might it actually suit? Let us find out the answer to these questions in this video. So, hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a passive index fund that mirrors the BSE India Sector Leaders Index. So, in simple terms, it doesn't try to beat the market, instead, it aims to replicate the performance of this index, which includes top performing companies from India's leading sectors like banking, IT, FMCG, healthcare, energy, and manufacturing. So, rather than betting on a few active picks, this fund takes a rule based, data driven approach, giving investors a simple way to own the established leaders of India's economy. So, now before analyzing this policy, let us understand that as an NFO, it also opens on 7th November 2025 and closes on 21st November 2025. And some of the key features of the fund are: it is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity thematic. It has BSE India Sector's Leaders TRI as its benchmark index. There is no entry and exit load as well. So the minimum investment amount required to invest in this fund is 100 rupees. So the fund managers are Ms. Nandita Menes and Mr. Arun Agarwal, and according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective of this fund is that it seeks to replicate the BSE India Sector Leaders Index by investing in securities of the index in the same proportion or weightage, with an aim to provide returns before expenses that track the total return of index, which is subjected to tracking. So now, as we have a basic idea about this fund, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to look into the pros and cons of investing in this fund. So number one, the fund it focuses on the strongest, most influential companies, the ones that have already proven their business models and market dominance. So, isn't that a safer starting point than chasing unknown names? Number two, market leaders often show more consistent performance and have better fundamentals, which can help cushion the impact during volatile phases. Number three, unlike thematic funds that concentrate on one area, this fund spread across multiple sectors, offering a relatively balanced view of India's growth story. And number four, there is no human bias, no stock picking, and no emotional decision making. Everything follows the index methodology, simple, transparent, and disciplined. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well. So let's look into the cons. Number one, while focusing on top players offers stability, it also means missing out on emerging mid and small cap opportunities that could deliver higher growth. And number two, even though it spans sectors, the fund is still limited to the top few companies in each, so true diversification remains restricted. And number three, sector leaders are not immune to economic cycles. For example, if banking or IT slows down, the fund's performance could also take a hit. And number four, since this is a new fund, there's no past record to judge its returns or how well it tracks the index. Isn't that something every cautious investor should consider before committing to it? So, what is the final takeaway then? Is investing in the HDFC BSE India Sector Leaders Index Fund worth it or not? So, the fund provides an interesting way to track India's top performing companies, the giants that drive the nation's economy. It offers stability and structure, but as a new fund, it is best to observe how it performs. Before jumping in. If you're curious about how India's sector leaders shape the market, this fund could be worth watching, not necessarily buying just yet. But our personal recommendation is that if you're a first time investor or even a conservative investor not willing to take a lot of risk, you can definitely avoid investing in a thematic NFO like this. If you do want to still invest in a similar theme like this, there are other existing similar thematic funds with a track record of 7 to 10 years where you can see how it has performed across market cycles and be able to take a calculated risk. But here, without proper portfolio and research, investment is very risky. So if you're looking for funds to add to your core portfolio, remember it is very hard to predict when to enter and exit from a thematic fund, even for a seasoned investor. So it's better if you do have some surplus money and you do want to invest in this fund, you can invest it through your satellite portfolio, not your core portfolio, because if it's added to your core portfolio, then it underperforms. It will also affect the overall returns in the portfolio. So do invest it through your satellite portfolio with a minimum investment amount on a trial basis. Then over the years, if you think it is performing well, you can increase the amount accordingly. Also, if you need professional guidance as an investor, you can consult with a professional financial planner who will look into the suitability of the fund's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation, and strategically guide you whether it's aligned with your risk tolerance, your financial goals and time horizon, and guide you towards better outcomes. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.